Nice to meet you. My name is Michael Kwame Nyame. I and my master carved this tree, and my master name is Kofi Sale. And this carved tree, we started 4 years ago, and we're still working on it. It will be done on maybe 2017. And in life, you know, it's not you don't need to rush. And you see the branches, you don't need to, you know, pass wrong way. You need to go straight to the king. There is a king at the top. And if you are a rich man or a king in your family, you know that all eyes on you. So you need to help people who are ready to do something. It can be money, it can be knowledge.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so that's it.
Yeah, I met Michael. I met Michael here. And Michael remembered me. Yeah. I didn't change the color of my hair and you still remember me. Thank you.
She always come with more group and she always bring customers to my shop. So old friends are the best. Money is not everything. It's good that I saw her again.
It means a lot to me.
Yeah.
You're gifted one. Your master who taught you tree carving, your master teacher, come a little closer. Please. This is amazing to me. It's like, it's where we anchor our Africa for the African community.
Okay.
And it says in our history that a tree, a person without knowledge of our history is like a tree without roots. And this grounds me because I see the roots and 4 years of this.
Yeah. And we're still working on it.
Still working on it.
To be done on 27.
So your master teacher, is he still with us here?
Yeah, he's a brew here.
Okay, good. And then his name one more time.
Kofi Sale.
Kofi Sale?
Yeah.
And you, Michael, what's your surname?
Michael Kwame Nyame.
Kwame Nyame.
God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
All right now. And so your African name, I'm Ya, born on Thursday.
Saturday born.
Saturday, Kwame. Oh yeah, that's what's up.
Yeah. Respect.
Yeah, respect.
And then everyone of here, you need to buy food for anyone.
Yeah, I'll take good pictures.
So you should keep it up.
I'm trying to get me. We're even having a connection with Mother.
My shop is at the restaurant.
Should have got you when you
You can just do a quick look.
Are we going to eat in the restaurant? No. We eating at the Cub. I saw we're not eating there.
My shop is in the restaurant.
I got some wonderful cards from you.
Yeah, postcards.
They were actually a greeting card. You remember the little what those was?
Yeah.
Yeah, those were at home in Atlanta.
I still have some.
You still have some? Great, thank you. Magasi.
I said that was your message.
Oh my God.
That means we thank God.
Thank God. Thank God in you. Yeah.
Thank